Hi guys, today we'll be making pineapple juice. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of ice, 1 pineapple, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, let's cut off the top of the pineapple. Since we will be using the pineapple as a cup, we're going to be cutting straight across the top of the pineapple just like this. Now I'm just using a pineapple core slicer to dig out the core of the pineapple. You can also use a spoon to dig out the pineapple flesh. We need the pineapple to be completely empty, so I'm just cleaning up the inside so that it's ready to be a cup. Now this is an extra step. I wanted a lid for my pineapple cup, so here, I'm carving a hole for my straw. We're going to prepare to blend our pineapple juice. Put pineapple flesh in the blender, along with ice, salt and sugar. And blend until all chunks are gone. Pour the juice into the pineapple cup. And here we are, tropical pineapple juice. Fun, quick and easy.